Hello, future civil servants. Tomorrow, that is 21st April, marks the National Civil Service Day, which is dedicated to all those who aspire to lead and serve our nation. The day acknowledges all the efforts that are made by the civil servants who are popularly known as the steel frames of India. And what better way to celebrate than empowering your journey with the strategies and insights from those who have successfully navigated the path that you're on? So, to help you in this, LevelUp IS is going to host an exclusive offline open session for next 10 days starting from tomorrow at the Karol Bagh Center. This isn't just going to be a normal session. It is a gateway to direct your insights from our very own UPSC toppers and our experienced faculties. So basically, in the inaugural sessions, the UPSC toppers will be talking about their personal strategies, like they'll be talking about the answer writing, they'll be talking about the note making, and the other strategies that are needed to crack this exam. And most importantly, the temperament and mindset which is needed to crack this exam. So you will be getting the chance to talk one-on-one with them. You can ask your doubts and get your answers tailored by them. So remember, it's going to be a free session for all, but the spaces are limited. From day 2, that is from 22nd of April till 30th of April, you will get a free access to the UPSC GS Foundation lectures. Here, our experienced faculty will help you get started with your preparation. So aspirants, tomorrow is going to be a packed session and we would want to ensure that it's a productive day for all. So securing your spot is very essential. So click on the registration link given in the description below and register now. You can register yourself, fill up the form, and you are just set for an enlightening session that could very well be a turning point in your UPSC journey. So don't miss on this opportunity and let's make the National Civil Service Day a landmark day in your preparation. So we are very hopeful to see you tomorrow and help you in level up your preparation. Thank you.